Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve it's not available on your device on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook it's not available on your device, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook and you can click here. Then this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can update your app here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.